We've always suspected it, and now the evidence is in. The Skoda Kushaq is an incredibly safe car. The Skoda Kushaq was launched in 2021, and back then we said it is potentially a very safe car. Skoda has always been building robust, sturdy cars that have scored well in international crash tests. But the Kushaq is different. It is based on the MQB A0 Iron platform, derived from the European MQB, but with heavy research, development and localization by teams in India and the Czech Republic. This platform was developed and honed for the Indian market. There were questions if Skoda would water down its traditional strengths for the Indian market. But no, Skoda have hit any such doubters for a massive 6. Yes, we do have a Cricket World Cup on. And they've done that with the full 5 stars in the latest global NCAP test. The Kushaq has in fact scored a full 5 stars for both adult and child occupant protection, making it the first ever India-made car to achieve this at the GNCAP. And it has done so under the new, more stringent tests devised by the GNCAP. It is also the first ever car to ever be tested under these new regulations. It scored 29.64 out of 34 for adult protection and 42 out of 49 for child protection. This makes it the safest car tested by the GNCAP under its Safest Car for India program. There's a lot that has gone into this achievement. Firstly, strong R&D to ensure that the platform can handle a crash. What is key here is that the car can transfer the forces of an accident around the cabin and not into the cabin, thus protecting the occupants. Good design and engineering, along with the right use of materials, allows this to take place effectively. And then there are the safety features on offer. The Kushaq offers up to 6 airbags, protecting occupants from frontal impacts and also from side impacts. It is worth noting that the variant tested by the NCAP was a base variant with only 2 airbags on offer. That makes the score achieved by the Kushaq even more impressive, especially considering side impact is now a part of the evaluation process. ESC is a standard fitment on the Kushaq, and this is also something that has helped the Kushaq bolster its score. These electronics help keep the car in the driver's control on the road, particularly in low traction situations or under heavy braking and during avoidance maneuvers. The Kushaq's ESC program is particularly robust. It features the usual business of ABS and traction control, but it also features EBD or electronic brake force distribution, brake assist that helps increase the pressure on the brakes in an emergency braking situation, and brake disc wiping that allows for optimum braking every single time you reach for the pedal. The electronic diff ensures traction is maximized, and this increases not only performance but also safety. The rollover protection can prevent the car from tipping over when maneuvered aggressively to avoid a hazard on the road. ESC can help prevent accidents in the first place. And you know what they say, prevention is better than cure. The Kushaq scored particularly high on child protection. Its 5 stars for child protection is the first for any car coming out of India. That is thanks to the fact that the rear bench gets ISOFIX mounts as standard, allowing you to mount properly designed child seats and belt them in safely. In addition to this, the Kushaq leverages technology to keep its occupants safe on the road. TPMS reduces the chance of a tire blowout. Multi-collision braking, or MCB, helps mitigate damage in an accident. Automatic wipers ensure perfect visibility at all times, and both hill hold assist and the rear camera assist the driver on the road. Fact of the matter is, the Kushaq has proved to be an incredibly safe car. The safest premium mid-size SUV in India with a 5-star adult and child protection ratings. And this is a car that has been designed and engineered in India and for India. It is a testament to manufacturers taking safety in this country very seriously. Skoda has always been at the forefront of this movement, and with the Kushaq, it continues to lead the way. Protect what matters, Skoda says. and they're putting their money where their mouth is.